Hi, I'm Nelson from Techie Portal. Hello guys. So this time we'll try to add some animation on this icon. If you notice that every time these buttons were clicked, the icon is changing. Okay, so it turns into minus circle, it turns into plus circle every time the buttons were click on this page. So how to do that? Okay, so that is easy breezy, guys. All we need to do is to make use of a jQuery script. Okay, so I think let's do it. So without so much ado, let's proceed, guys. Okay, so to do that, we just need to add some script just after any part of this text editor. You can uh, you can add that script, but for it to be more specific and more understandable, guys, we just need to add the script just after this paragraph, just after this card header. So you can just add up here the script, and then we need to, okay, we have the $sign and document, and then we have here ready. Okay, we need to call the function. So we need to indicate here function. Okay, and then yep, and then with a semicolon, and then we need to call a certain ID. So we made use here, okay, an ID be first. Okay, don't forget to include the symbol, okay, the number symbol, and then dot, okay, click, and then we have here function, yeah, and then okay, and don't forget the semicolon. And then next is we need to call the class. So we have here this class, so we just need to I think we need to add another class here. Okay, we have to add, let's say, the be first. Okay, be first toggle, sorry. Okay, so we need to add that class. So, and then we just need to add here dot fa, okay, dot fa, no, yeah, dot fa hyphen plus hyphen circle, and then dot be first toggle. Okay, and then we need to indicate here toggle class. Okay, and then we need to add here minus. Okay, but before that, guys, we need to create, we need to create another element here, style element. Okay, and then we need to add here dot minus, okay, for this class to be toggled in this script. Okay, so we need this one before, and then we have the content. Okay, so we have here 0f55, am I correct, or f055 for f056 for minus. Okay, let's try to save this one and see whether it works or not. Let's see. It's not working. This one should be f056. Am I getting the right? Minus content. Oh, that one. Yeah. Okay. So I've used incorrect. It should be backslash, not forward slash. Okay, so we just need to copy this one. So just need to copy this one and put this one here. uh, where's the button? Okay, so we just need to copy and paste here, and we need to add, class here, the second, the second toggle, and then copy this one, paste it here, and save. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it's not working. Oh, it's not working. Why? B second toggle. Okay, should be B second. Let's see. Okay, I think we're done. So, yep. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorial. Guys, thank you and God bless.